Hi guys, it's me Theo. So on this video I will show you SCBD Park in Jakarta. So I start from Sudirman Station. This is Sudirman Station. See? Sudirman Station. Wow, there is New York picture. When you in upstairs, you can see any mini market like in the market and some vending machines. Okay, I'm going down now. So Sudirman Station is in middle of Jakarta. Sudirman Station is still KL stray in Jakarta. Oh, I see Lawson here. And all you have to do, you just walk to the Duku Atas station. Is MRT tray. So I'm going to tap out and transit to the MRT tray. See, it's sunny day here. Very beautiful view here. I just need walk a few minutes to the MRT station. Here we go. Now I'm on Duku Atas MRT. MRT in Jakarta is under city. Actually, we just going down using stair, but I want today. But I'm used the elevator. Actually, this is priority elevator, but for who wanna use it, we can use it. But we prioritize to who need it most. So much people here, so it's just take a few minutes. Okay, I'm inside the elevator right now. MRT in Jakarta like airport, we have to check it first. We are bag, we are shoe, anything. And I just pass it. Now I just tap it and go inside and down again. Not this time. Okay, I will be using stairs to going down to the MRT tray. Look, what's that? So cute. Okay, we just standing here and waiting for the MRT tray coming. Actually, the station have a stairs, but not so much. So we just standing here and waiting for the MRT tray coming. Wow, this tray a lot of first timer. Okay, now I'm on MRT tray. Sorry guys, I was forgot to record the video inside the MRT tray. Let me tell you, you will not found the downstairs, just upstairs. I just found something to drink. It's teh kotak. It means box tea. Okay, I'm in outside right now. It's not too hot today. All I have to do is just keep walking to the SCBD Park. Okay, it just like took 9 minutes. Cross the streets. Looking at the view is very satisfying to see. Oh, I see the dragon here. Because this is Chinese New Year. Year of the dragon. Okay, we're not so far from SCBD Park. Here we go. I just see the word of SCBD Park. SCBD Park. But I'm not yet going inside the park. I just parked the street food over there and now I'm just asked security and now I'm inside the park. I take this video at 18 February and still Chinese New Year vibe. You can see the lintel and the dragon and the more decoration. Now I'm in Japanese store. So interesting to this place and just browsing and I found noodles. We can eat here or take away. If you wanna eat here, you can going to floor 2, and this is floor 3. So cool and so gorgeous view. I like this place. So relaxing. Everybody maybe end here. Now I'm wanna going to my senpai house for training. I'm using MRT again. As you know, I learned Puchinkan in Jakarta. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. When you wanna go to SCBD Park, we just stop in Istora Mandiri, and now I'm going to Hajinawi Station. And I hope you like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.